If you want to connect MailChimp with ManyChat, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step, so you can link both platforms quickly and start syncing your marketing workflow with confidence. This is especially useful if you want to grow your email list, automate follow-ups, and keep your contacts organized without doing everything manually. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, go to ManyChat and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where ManyChat stores all of the main account and connection options. After that, scroll down through the Settings area until you find Integrations. Click on Integrations to open the apps and services that can be connected to ManyChat. Now, keep scrolling until you find MailChimp in the Integrations list. When you see it, click on Connect MailChimp account. This begins the linking process between ManyChat and your MailChimp profile. Next, ManyChat will ask you to log into your MailChimp account. Enter your MailChimp email and password, then sign in. If you already have a MailChimp session open in your browser, you may be taken straight to the permission screen instead. On that screen, review the request carefully and then click Allow. This permission is what lets ManyChat connect to your MailChimp account and send subscriber data where it needs to go. Once you allow access, ManyChat will finish authenticating the connection in the background. After a few moments, you should see confirmation that the integration is active. At that point, your MailChimp account is successfully linked with ManyChat, and you can start using both tools together in your automations and contact flows. If you want to double-check everything, go back to the integrations page and make sure MailChimp shows as connected. That's it. You've now linked MailChimp with ManyChat in just a few simple steps. This can save you a lot of time if you're building lead magnets, running chatbot campaigns, or sending contacts into email sequences automatically. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.